Happiness is not something you postpone for the future, it is something you design for the present. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. The walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keeps out the joy. Miss a meal if you have to, but don't miss a book. If you don't like things or change it, you are not a tree. Without the sense of urgency, desire loses its value. Failure is simply a few errors in judgment, repeated every day. Giving is better than receiving because giving starts the receiving process. Make measurable progress in reasonable time. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Labor gives birth to ideas. Maturity is the ability to reap without apology and do not complain when things don't go well. Money is usually attracted, not pursued. Your philosophy determines whether you will go for the disciplines or continue the errors. Success is not to be pursued, it is to be attracted by the person you become. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Success is steady progress towards one's personal goals. The more you know, the less you need to say. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Work harder on yourself than you do on your job. Whatever good things we build end up building us. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. You cannot change your designation overnight, but you can change your directions overnight. Thanks for watching the motivational quotes, Jim Rohn quotes. Do subscribe to my channel, friends.